According to Lyon 2002, pectin can be found in the fruits and in the fruit skin, such as banana skin. Nah, while according to Ada and Dari 2008, the content of the pectin in the banana skin is around 10.10 until 11.83%. So, to make the best quality of biodegradable plastic, we need an addition of natural materials such as chitosan. According to Menawan 2010, chitosan is for keeping the water resistance in the plastic. This because of the characteristics of chitosan is cannot be mixed in the water. And then the next is glycerin. According to Menawan 2006, glycerin is for plasticizer or for making the plastic. So, to know the effect of the four materials in the bioplastic making, we are from care team of Madrasah Aliyah Swasta Tahfidz Yanbu'ul proudly present our project title, that is the effect of chitosan with the addition of plasticizer glycerol in the degradation and water resistance from pokok banana skin pectin. By me, Muhammad Abyan Dzaka, and my partner, Khudaefi Isma'il, and my advisor, Muhammad SSC. And honorable indicators. The next is the goals. Our goals are, not first, to know the composition and the concentration of pectin in the to make the best quality of biodegradable plastic. And then the second is to know the composition of pectin with the addition of glycerol and chitosan to make the best quality of biodegradable plastic. And the last is to know the effect with the addition of chitosan and glycerol in the degradation and water resistant characteristic. And then the next is variable. We use three variables in our research. First is independent variables such as water, and then there is tapioca starch, and then banana skin starch, and the last is acetate acid. And then the second is dependent variable. Dependent variable, there are three, and there are three factors also. First is glycerin, there are 1, 3, and 5 milliliters, and while chitosan there are 1 to 3 grams, and the last is temperature, 70, 80, and 90 degrees Celsius. And then the last is control variable. What they call control variable, such as degradation and water resistance characteristic. Okay, and another indicators. The next is research procedure. The first is preparation. In the preparation, we need to prepare all methods and all tools to do a research. And then the second is extraction. We take the pectin from the extract of banana skin. And then the third is bioplastic making. We mix the four materials into one and we do it 2 hours. And then the last is test. Yeah, we test the water resistance and PPTPM, while the degradation we use EM4 to degrade it. And then for the next is the implementation of the research. The first is preparation. There are materials. First, tapioca starch, and then pokok banana skin, alcohol 96%, and then there's acetate acid, and then there is glycerol and chitosan. And then for the materials, there are blender for blending, and then weights for weighing, and the last is Bunsen and 3 foods for burning. And then the next is extraction. In the extraction, firstly we blend the banana skin into the blender. After that, we filter it. And the result of the filter, we mix with the water 200 milliliters and 5 milliliters of glycerol. After that, we boil it 45 minutes with a temperature of 70 until 90 degrees Celsius. After that, we filter it again, and the result of the filter, we give alcohol 96%. After that, we stir, and then we let it 1 hour. After that, we filter again to take the pectin, as you can see in the slide. And then the next is bioplastic making. Now, here the first step is we dissolve the chitosan with 4% of acetate acid, and then we blend it 30 minutes. Now after that, we solve tapioca starch, using 150 milliliters, and we by burning and blending. And then the next step is we mix the two materials into pectin solution. After that, we give glycerol. After that, we boil it 2 hours. After we boil, and then we let it one day, and then we pour it into glass flat, and then we let it 2 days. Now after that we put it into microwave. After we put in microwave, with the temperature 190 degrees Celsius within 1 hour. Okay. And then the last is the testing. Okay, we test the biodegradation using N4 within 10 days, and then for weather resistance in LPPTUGM. Another biodegradation, so the result of our research is first, the concentration test. In 70 degrees Celsius will produce the highest pectin. And then the second, in 1 milliliter glycerol and 3 gram ketosan will produce the best quality of biodegradable plastic in water resistance. And then the last is degradation test. The plastic will be degraded, the bioplastic will be degraded using M4 within 10 days. So the conclusion from our presentation is first, in 70 degrees Celsius will produce the highest pectin from other temperature. And then for the second, in 1 milliliter glycerol and 3 gram ketosan will produce the best quality of biodegradable plastic in water resistance. And then the last is degradation. Biodegradable plastic will be degraded using M4 within 10 days. So the suggestion that we recommend to you in our research is we need to do the research of characteristic test. There are mechanic and physics tests. Okay, I think this is it that I can deliver in this our presentation. Thanks for your attention. Bioplastic.